Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna try some water. Never had it before.
Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni on them. Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni.
Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni on them. Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni on them. Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni on them.
Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni on them. Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni on them. Cheddar, yeah. Let me see them titties out the sweater.
Happy birthday. Make a character. Can I interview you?
I don't.
What's your name?
Patricia Bungle.
So Patricia Bungle, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
Ask me what I'm doing.
So what are you doing right now?
Don't ask me questions. Ask me more questions.
So where are we driving? Where are we driving right now?
Okay, that's enough.
So how long is this?
I'm good. Alright, so we got a big old Diet Coke right here. And Graham's actually never tried it before, so he's gonna give it a little whirl.
Maybe just one more sip. Hey, that's pretty good.
So this came in the mail today.
Tough till I spill my macaroni on them. Bitches act tough till I spill my macaroni.
What happened to you? You used to be my friend.
Jake, you put it on back.
Now look at him. Oh no.
Where's the eyes to this? This is so
Hey,
frustrating.
that's my phone.
There's just like in my eyelid.
First one to laugh showing their teeth loses.
You're showing your teeth!
A big, wide, open mouth. Is this your weed?
That's my weed! And that's my weed! There's my pot!
That's what every girl I've ever slept with in this house has said. Every time. They say, these eggs are overcooked. I wish I never came here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Cooking my eggs, ladies! Cooking my eggs.
Daddy's?
Ooh, my favorite kind of apple.
My titties aren't even out, Angus. I'm talking to a girl. There's this little hole where they put a piece that you pull out.
Like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. It has no description.
Oh, it doesn't say
Doesn't
winner of
say.
12 partition placement awards?
That means literally nothing to anyone but us.
Introduce yourself, Angus. How do you like the camera being in your face?
Make me laugh, you fucking
Yes,
funny guy.
be funny.
Dude, do something good.
Do something spontaneous.
I'm not that aggressive with you guys.
Not really.
No, but we're aggressive people.